period of economic downturn, investment in branded retail outlet gave a very strong message to the market. It inculcates the confidence into the customers, and it gives a very focused message to the entire market that the company is serious in bringing new products and services to the market. And particularly when the competitive environment is tough and the economy is in downturn, such investment boosts confidence of the consumers. In industrial marketing, the concept of retail outlet was neglected till last 20 years, but now this is gaining momentum in industrial marketing. Due to tough competition in the market, we cannot ignore any of the channel which goes to the end users. And retail is a very strong channel, particularly when we see it from the cost of one transaction perspective. Cost per transaction is increasing day by day, and retail is gaining importance gradually, and it is becoming a part and parcel of the life of industrial marketeer. In SKF Pakistan, this concept was developed 4 years back, and a branded retail outlet was developed with the concept to give a very coherent message to the end user and the industrial market. And so we, alhamdulillah, did it very well successfully in Pakistani market. This concept can be replicated all over the world, and wherever we invested in retail, branded retail outlet, the feedback from the customers, the feedback from the distributors was excellent, and sales was increased in most of the cases by more than 200%. So such an investment is basically a futuristic investment, and this gives you an opportunity to expand your business in an efficient manner. The entire atmosphere and the characters of the branded retail outlet were developed carefully, and if you will see in the each character of the branded retail outlet, then you will understand that it is giving a very cool and cohesive message to the industrial end user. The SKF wall, the dealing counter, the platform wall, all these characters are giving a message to the industrial customer, and the message is very clear that they have come to a very genuine and trustworthy place where they can purchase quality products at good price, and they are guaranteed excellent level of service in such an atmosphere. This is a very important characteristic which distinguishes us with all of our competitors who are operating through ordinary shops. So when we are operating through a branded retail outlet, it gives a very strong and clear message to the entire market that we are the brand leader, we are the market leader, and we are leading, and we are making the environment of the market, and we are the major player in the field. Ergonomics was given particular attention when the details of the design were worked out, and the entire design is very pragmatic and according to the requirement of the industrial sales engineer. That is why the first outlet, which was built in 2008, gained popularity, and in no time we built 7 outlets all over Pakistan, and in next 2 years all outlets operating in Pakistan will be branded. And in a market where there are hundreds of bearing sellers, in order to distinguish yourself, you need to build a very strong image and character, and such image and character can only be portrayed through a very well designed and cohesive branded retail outlet, which we have done successfully in Pakistan. And such kind of design is very practical, and it can be replicated all over the world. We have developed expertise over the year in developing such kind of branded retail outlet, and if needed we can provide all kind of practical details for this retail outlet. We have also designed a manual for the retail outlet, so anybody who wants to make such kind of branded retail outlet in their country, they can take the manual and they can build it, because most of the design elements are such that the building material and related things can are easily available all over the world. And this is also very cost effective. If you will enter into such a branded retail outlet, it will give you a very expensive look, and you will feel that this branded retail outlet was built maybe by spending millions of rupees, whereas the fact is that we have built these branded retail outlets in a very good economical cost, and the payback period for such a retail outlet is hardly 3 to 4 months. So I will strongly recommend to all distributor community to study this, because in industrial marketing, in very tough competitive environment, we cannot ignore the importance of retail, and retail is a very important channel through which we can reach to end user directly, and we can also make a very strong imprint on our end users that we are serious, we are futuristic, and we can provide you all solution in under one roof. Such a retail outlet gives this kind of message strongly and perfectly.